This is a 200 bars, 450 L per minute ultra-high flow high-pressure cleaning machine. This cleaning machine features a 3-plunger high-pressure pump, a Y-type filtration system, a vertical booster pump for improved water supply, and is driven by a 238 kW Weichai diesel engine with a 200L aluminum alloy fuel tank. It has a container-type protective cover for rain and dust protection. This high-pressure cleaning machine can be used for unclogging and cleaning large drainage pipes with an inner diameter of 100 to 3000 millimeters, and can be used with a 2D rotating nozzle for automatic cleaning of large industrial pipelines. It can also be used for removing scale from steel billets, and for high-pressure water jet drilling and piling. For more product features, please feel free to contact me.